Hello YouTube, this is Custom Times underscore Diecast 101. This is an update on the Deep Junk Garage Race Car Challenge. This is my GT500 race car. I've done the wiper blades in chrome and then the rubber wiper part itself in black paint marker. I've got the headlights, fog lights so far, the rear gas cap, window frame, or the A-frame for the windows, A-pillars. I did those in chrome around the windows, door handles, the radiator, the little thing that holds that battery in there. I don't know if you can see it. Your mirrors are chromed. Find the interior here. Here's the interior. I don't know, here, let me see if I can get it to focus on that steering wheel. I did the steering wheel, the inside of the steering wheel in chrome. Shifter knob is in chrome. I can't get it to focus. Underneath the dash there, where your speedometer and all that other stuff would be, is in chrome. And find the glass now. Right here it is. Here's the glass. I need to polish it up a little bit, get it cleaned up. Thank God there's no cracks or anything in it. Here's my motor. That's just a little update for the race car challenge on the 28th of what I've been doing. As I said, follow me on you can follow me, add me as a friend on Facebook through the Diecast Outlaws and Renegades page on Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram at customtimes underscore diecast. I guess that's it for today. Just a short little 3-minute video to update everybody on where I'm at with this. Thank you, and that'll be all. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button as many times as you can. And thank you.